Hi there, I'm Gary. I run a channel called Gary's Stuff on YouTube. Now, I've been asked by Airfix to nominate a kit that I would like to see sent into space. And for me, it would have to be the Apollo lunar landing kit. It's currently coming back into the range as the One Small Step set. For me, it would have to be one of the originals back in 1970, the very first space kit I made. Now, I'm old enough to remember the Apollo moon landings as they happened. I remember being woken up at 3 in the morning to watch Apollo 11 and Neil Armstrong's famously stepping onto the moon for the first time. First time a human being had stepped onto the surface of another planetary body outside of the Earth. It was so exciting. The wave of enthusiasm was absolutely infectious, and it was all anyone was talking about for some years after that. I watched every Apollo moon landing after that, all the way through to Apollo 17. I watched as Gene Cernan took the last step off of the moon that humans have made up until hopefully in a few years' time. And it just fired in me a love of everything to do with space and aerospace, and eventually it led to me studying science and becoming a liaison between my company and NASA and European Space Agency and Roscosmos and people like this, these agencies around the world. And it meant I got to go and travel to see Houston, and I got to travel to JPL in Pasadena where they make space probes. I got to meet a few astronauts. I got to meet Bill Anders, who took the very famous photo of the Earthrise over the moon on Apollo 8. I got to meet cosmonauts as well, and I got to meet so many astonishing engineers and scientists behind space missions, the people that make it all look so easy when it really absolutely is not. Even to the point when on our honeymoon, I made sure Maria and I visited the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, and we were shown around, and one of the things that was there was the Cassini spacecraft that subsequently was launched to Saturn and studied the Saturnian system for many years. So a buzz that I've had for many years is space and the excitement of exploration. For that reason, and for the career it later gave me and the joy it later gave me, meeting people and seeing places that one could only normally dream of, it would have to be the 1970 kit of the lunar module.